I would like to cash my check, please.
Sure. Do you have your ID with you?
When I do my banking, the banking employees help me. The people are nice, friendly,
5, 10,
and pretty.
11, 12, 13.
They make sure I get the correct money. No.
Okay, there you are. You have a nice day.
What does Dad always say?
Always put my money up.
Good man.
People with disabilities may require a little bit more time and patience. Customer service in the places that we attend to, and the respect and the flexibility to handle that, those are the things that are important to us. Here at the bank, I find that they're just marvelous. My son can now be independent for certain aspects of his life.
Hello?
How can I help you, sir?
I'd like a meatball sandwich.
It's not hard to take care of the customer with disability at all. I want the people with disability to have the same good experience that all my customers are having.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
It's easy.
People with disabilities want services just like everyone else.
What kind of drink would you like?
I'd like a vanilla Coke. I want to give my business to places that are welcoming.
Would you like ice in it?
The guys today were very flexible.
I like working in the pet store.
Now this is the hardest part of cleaning your birthday, is putting it all back together.
Right now I'm volunteering, but my goal was to get a job and think about being independent and having my own apartment sometime.
I think most employers are afraid that they're going to have somebody working with them that is going to slow them down or cost them more money. And it's actually the opposite. Working with Josie was a lot of fun. She had a really positive attitude, and whenever I told her to do something, she was always, okay, fine, sure, I'll do it, and didn't complain about anything.
How do you think you did?
I just did.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
Very good job.
At JJ's List, I share reviews about the businesses and services I use.
T-O-2-F-E period me.
It's good for me and it's good for the community.
I want to work at places that are welcoming. I want to be part of my community. Are you disability aware? I think the parrot means yes.